What's up? Back here again today, guys. Before work, beautiful sunrise. Trying to get down here at Wynnum foreshore. Lovely location, some really nice place to take some shots. So see what we get and stay tuned. Morning, guys. Back down at the lone tree again. I want to try and, there's a footpath that runs up to it, and in the photo I want to get low enough that I can cut it out in the photo. So what I'm trying to do here is look around the rocks, set up the tripod and get it ready for my shot. So see how I go, and yeah, using the Benrose tripod, so it's quite good. The legs can go out as far as you want by just clicking a button, and yeah, it's come in very handy. So guys, today, as you know, I said yesterday, I got my 800D camera from Canon. Today I'm running not just the polarizer, but I've got the reverse ND grad 3-stop from Hyder. Really good for your sunrises. I've got the Benrose tripod. So with the sunrise, I'm on ISO 100, using f11 just to get everything in focus. But as the light comes up, my shutter speed changes. At the moment I'm at 1 second, but when we first got here I was running at 20 seconds just to illuminate everything in the foreground. So take a shot here, running a 2-second timer to eliminate any shake. Pop comes soon.